All right, guys, Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. I've got something here that I did not even know existed. Did not know was a thing. This is a 2014 Subaru Crosstrek hybrid. This is a new car trade-in at the Lexus store. And I never knew they made a Crosstrek hybrid. And especially 10 years ago. Let's start it up. I mean, nothing on the instrument panel looks hybridy to me. Do we have a backup camera? Oh yeah, very small, but we have one. So we got a little information center up there.
It's just nails on a chalkboard to me because it's kind of like a power dynamic play.
Oh, okay. So got nav, push button start. I mean, it's a decent little car. It says ready, so it's definitely a hybrid. It must be what you call a mild hybrid. Because like I said, I didn't know these even existed. Let's see if I can figure out what our average, okay, average miles per gallon, 26.7. So it's not like pulling down numbers like my MKZ hybrid, which I'm still sitting on about 39.5 miles per gallon lifetime. I've never liked these Crosstreks that much. I just don't like the appearance. I've never liked the look, but I know they're insanely popular. Heated seats, my butt's getting hot. Paddle shifters. This one looks like a pretty loaded up model. A lot of options. I bet this thing was expensive new, because dang, Subarus are high dollar. Ooh, nice little step out. But a solid looking car. Hybrid. Got brand new Cooper tires. It's in pretty decent shape to have 166,000 and to be 10 years old. Boxer hybrid. Look at here, we got 2 batteries going on. Seriously? Is that the hybrid battery? Yeah, this must be a very mild hybrid. I do not know anything about these, but it's a cool little rig, considering I don't like how they look. But this one I kind of do like. It's clean. No golden retrievers riding in this one. This one's clean. We've had a bumper repaint or replacement at some point, but hey, no big deal. That's typical of these Atlanta cars. Not as noticeable on this side. This is a good looking little unit. Don't tell me it's got a power tailgate, does it? No, thought it did. No. Yep. Pretty solid little unit, looking pretty good. Just needs a little cleaning up, that's all. Like I said, trade in at one of the biggest Lexus stores in Atlanta. I've bought a few cars from them over the years. And I've bought a few cars from them at the auction over the years. So the Subaru Crosstrek hybrid. Man, somebody tell me about this thing. I don't know much. But it don't seem half bad. It's got good throttle response. I am very much assuming it's a CVT. And of course, 4-wheel drive. It's got a little, you know, it's got that Subaru little height and, you know, ride height. You can tell you're a little higher up. I noticed it first thing when I stepped out of it. I was like, ooh, this is nice. Just step right on out. Handle's good, and everything's tight on it. I mean, no rattles, clunks, and no power. Ooh. Slow. That's all right though. It'll get out of its own way. But yeah, not a ton of power here. But a neat little rig. Drives really good. I'm just tickled to death how good this little car drives. I'm gonna go home and do my research on the hybrid part. I'm just interested in how much it participates with the gas part. Got some nice Honda vans here today, but I'm going to pass on those right now. I still have my last 15 we haven't sold. And a Zara? No way. Oh man, I'll be back. We'll see you next time. Peace.